Hey, it's Clay, and this will be a video chart on ticker symbol HSGX. We will take a look at the 30-minute time frame. Real quick, what do I mean by 30-minute in case maybe you're new to charts? Instead of each one of these candlesticks here representing 1 day's worth of price action, which is what you would normally see, each one represents 30 minutes. So while this here may look like several days worth of time, it's actually today's price action broken down into 30-minute time slices. I like to this time. Frampton does a good job of telling the quote-unquote story of the price, and then makes mapping out where levels of support and resistance a bit easier to see. And in this situation, makes mapping out a very logical question quite straightforward. That question revolving around the fact that today the price made a very impressive move. I mean, when you stop and think about where the price started off on the day and then where it ultimately closed, sure, it pulled back a bit from its highs, but still, relatively speaking, from where it was to where it ultimately closed, any rational person would say, yeah, today was a very impressive move. That does bring about the valid question now of, but is there any sort of true power behind this price movement? Is there any sort of genuine strength? Or is this just some sort of knee-jerk reaction, dead cat bounce type move? I have no idea, but like I said, by using charts, we can make mapping out that question very straightforward. And in my mind, it all revolves around a single area, and that area is down here at 18.5 cents. Why is 18.5 important? Well, hopefully we can agree on the logic that price movements with genuine power, with true strength, the price is going to progress forward. The price is not going to go back to where it was. And with that in mind, think about 18.5 cents. Now, I'm not saying the price is even going to go down here, but let's just say that the price did indeed pull back here to 18.5 and then just kept on going. At that point, what would you have? Well, you would have the price literally right back to where it started, right back into that range that it broke out of. And again, going back, not a sign of true power. Whereas if the price came down here, but then in this situation behaved like this and started to work its way back upwards, what would you have in this situation? Well, you'd have a set of lows right there. You'd have some lows down there. If you envision each of those as stair steps, well, hey, now you have stair steps progressing in the upwards direction. And that's the name of the game. That's what a truly strong move is going to do over time. It's going to make progress forward. And like I said, in this situation, 18.5 cents being defined as that progress point. Now, as far as levels of resistance are concerned, that's where the pink line there comes into play, the 200 period moving average. And that is an area where even if you have a basic understanding of charts, I'm sure you've heard of the 200 period and you know that when the price is below it, it does tend to act as resistance. And that's what played out here. Granted, sure, the price did get up above that pink line a few times, but as far as actually staying up above it and accomplishing the true breakout, the price was never able to quite do that. But nonetheless, though, any way you look at it, great movement today. Not just a question of can the price build upon this momentum going forward? We will see. First off, thanks so much for watching the entire video. Real quick, before you go, I want to invite you to a live webinar, web class, training, workshop, online event, whatever you want to call it, but it will be me live revealing to you what I've discovered that has allowed me to transform myself from being an employee to being my own boss, including how I had only one losing day out of 73 days in total. I'm going to cover 3 keys that have helped me unlock profitable consistency within the markets. The first key is super weird, but in a productive type of way. The second key is super awesome because it quite literally is wired into our DNA as humans, making it very easy to use. But in a cruel way, this becomes a pitfall for many traders. I'll explain it all though, including how to avoid the pitfall that it creates for some. And yeah, the third key, when you hear it, sounds way too good to be true, but it's not, and I'll show you how it all works. Then at the end, I open it up for a question and answer session that is, again, totally live. Even if you can't make the live session, please still sign up as it will be recorded, and you can go back and watch the replay that I will send you. Click the image on the screen or click the link down in the description box so you can get the date and time and claim your spot, which I should note is limited due to the fact that this truly is a live event. If you have any questions, let me know. If not, I'll be seeing you soon.